Hi, it's Miles Redskin, excuse me, Songbird in New York City. Mark Levin, Jioe Scarborough says Trump is harming the idea of America more than any foreign adversary. September 11, 2018. Listen closely, watch totally this video of President John Adams, now Mark Levin, host of CRTV and of his own radio show on talk radio. The song, listen to a creative version of the Stars Spangled Banner played by Jimi Hendrix, the greatest instrumentalist in the history of rock music. Jimmy sang, "Excuse me while I kiss the sky." He was a paratrooper stationed at Fort Campbell, Kentucky, the home of the 101st Airborne Division Screaming Eagles. Jimi Hendrix, now Singh Birdsong. Singh Birdsong, taking a break from motorcycling, there's his motorcycle, journeying our great nation to stop at the border of North Carolina, where Gurinder Singh Ji, Singh's spiritual brother, when he was Sardar Bahadur Ji, Jesus Christ consciousness, perfect living master, Sadguru. Did you get all that? And this is a picture of what Jimi Hendrix, now Singh Birdsong, used to do. Jump on airplanes, practicing jumping into the enemy territory. And this is his mother on the left, Michelle Birdsong, Miles Redskin Songbird, when she was an airline stewardess for American Airlines. So flying goes in the family. This is the way it looks when they come out of the airplane after having jumped through the door. And this is how it looks when their parachutes open. This is a picture of retired Lieutenant General on the right, John Hopper, Jimmy's cousin, Michelle Birdsong's cousin, who was a fighter pilot in Vietnam, a war hero, shaking hands with President Kennedy. So flying definitely does run in that family. One more picture. Well, let me just show you this while it's here. This is Jimmy with his fro talking backstage to Mick Jagger of the Rolling Stones. Okay, let me make my way over here to show you one more picture of Singh Birdsong. That's when he was the Sadguru, the Jagat Singh, Jesus Christ consciousness Sadguru. He was the best disciple in the world before he was appointed master. And here he is with his mother when she was going through the testing of being homeless. Okay? And this is his mother when she was Guru Nanak, the founder of Sikhism. Okay? And that's his mother. Okay, so that's what I want to tell you from New York City. Please listen to those videos and listen to Jimi Hendrix play his own creative genius version of the Stars Spangled Banner.